Today's waste pickers' lives are not just hard, they work long hours, back-breaking jobs, but their access to high valuable waste that is saleable and therefore can earn them a livelihood is becoming less and less in spite of more waste being generated. There are more than 30,000 waste pickers in Bangalore itself, and a majority of them are migrants. Solution to be able to give to them is to give them a sense of identity, access to social security, and that is what Hasarudallah has been trying to do over the past 5 years.
I read an article that Bangalore will be dead city or Bangalore will be unlivable city in next 4 years. So one major problem in that was because of the fact that this garbage management in Bangalore is very poor. Currently we do serve close to 200 societies in Bangalore. Apart from that, we also serve few hotels. And the close to kind of 50 to 60 hotels. There are 16 franchisees that work with us as a partner. Like this van unit that you can see, there are like kind of 15 to 16 such van units. This franchisee, they do generate more than close to 70 to 80 jobs for different waste pickers.
We have actually innovated on a franchisee model where we identify waste pickers who can become entrepreneurs, and they have a team of up to 4 people, 4 waste pickers, who actually do the primary collection and transportation of the waste. So we are leveraging the innate entrepreneurship skills of the waste picker rather than having just an employer-employee relationship.
So good policy is very important to solid waste management, municipal solid waste management. Both national policy and rules are important, and the local government rules are very, very important. Right now, the ecosystem is very good. 2016 law has defined who waste pickers are. They have said they should be integrated into solid waste management system. This has given a huge, impetus or to do the kind of work we do.
ಅದೇ ನಮಗೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ಪೇಪರ್ ಆಗಿರುವಾಗ ಒಂದು ದಿವಸಕ್ಕೆ 200 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ಊಟಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಖರ್ಚಿಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಸಾಲದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಮೇಲೆ 10,000 ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನಮಗೆ ಮನೆಗೆ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿದೆ. ಯಾರ್ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಏನೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇವಾಗ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಮುಂದೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಮುಂಚೆ ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಇವಾಗ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಮೇಡಮೇ ನಮಗೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮೇಡಮೇ. ಏನಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಗೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು 4 ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕೆಲಸನೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಕೆಲಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಅಂತ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲದಾದ್ರೂ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ವ್ಯಾಪಾರ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೆಲಸದಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ನಮಗೂ